Dear learner, today I am going to discuss a very important chapter from chemistry, that is acid, bases and beware. There are various substances in our surroundings and they are categorized as acid, bases and salt on their specific characters. When they satisfy the specific character with specific properties, then we can categorize as acid, bases and salt. Let us know the acid, what is called acid, what is called base, and what is the definition of acid and base. Let's come to the definitions of acid. So here you see in the screen acids. Acids are a chemical substance which release hydrogen ion when dissolved in aqueous solutions. They are sour in taste. Example of acids are hydrochloric acid, acetic acid, etc. There are so many acids are there. I will give only two example of acid. Then we come to the definition of bases. Bases are the chemical substance which release hydroxide ion when dissolved in aqueous solutions. They are bitter in taste. The example of bases are sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, etc. There, besides the example, there are so many bases are there. Later, we'll discuss about different examples of acid and bases. There may have a question, confusion about the aqueous solution. Viewer, what is aqueous solution? Let us know about the aqueous solution. The aqueous solution is what? The solution made by dissolving a substance in water is called the aqueous solution. Those substance dissolve in water, it make a solution, no? That is called the aqueous solution. So there are so many example of aqueous solution in our life. Sugar solution, if sugar dissolve in water, you know, sugar easily dissolve in water, no? Then sugar solution is example of aqueous solution. Then salt solution also, sodium chloride, if you dissolve in water, then also you can make the aqueous solution. This is the aqueous solution. Viewer, let us see the diagrams in the screen. When acid dissolve in water, how they decompose into hydrogen ion. So when acid dissolve in water, then it produce hydrogen ion, that is H plus. Similarly, a base substance when dissolved in water, they produce the hydroxide ion, that is OH ion. So that is the ionization process by how we can know that substance is a acid and base. Let us know the properties of the acid and bases. There are so many properties of acid and bases are there. They are categorized as some are physical properties, some are chemical properties. Just I come to two physical property of acid and bases. Properties of acids. Acid are sour in taste. They change the colors of blue litmus to red. Properties of bases. Bases are bitter in taste. Number 2, bases changes the colors of red litmus to blue. So viewer, you may have confusion about what is litmus. Litmus is what? That is the indicators. Normally in the laboratory we have two kinds of litmus indicators. Sometimes we have the litmus paper. There are two kinds of litmus paper available in the laboratory. These are blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. Beside this also sometimes also use some indicator, blue liquid indicator, red liquid indicators. So let us come to the indicators, types of indicators. Indicators means the particular substance which help us to identify a substance is a acid and base with the help of colors, orders, like this. No, this is the indicators. Let us come to the types of indicators. So indicators are broadly classified into natural indicator and synthetic indicators. Then you come to the definition of indicators. Substances which indicate the presence of acid or base in a solution by change in their color in the solutions is called acid basis indicator or simply indicator. Example of indicators are litmus, turmeric, methyl orange, etc. are the example of indicators. So let us come to the types of indicators. So number one, natural indicator. So those indicators obtained naturally, they are natural indicators. Number two, the synthetic indicators. The indicators which are obtained by artificially, that is man-made, not naturally, that are synthetic indicators. So example of natural indicators are litmus, turmeric, red cabbage leaves, etc. Synthetic indicators examples are phenolphthaleins, methyl orange, etc. These are the two examples of litmus, also an indicator. This is the natural indicator. Okay. Let's come to the diagrams in the screen. Here the two kinds of indicators are showing here. One is the litmus paper. We have two kinds of litmus, blue litmus and red litmus. So how help us the litmus paper to identify a substance acid or base? When a blue litmus paper contact with the acid, then it turn to red colors. The paper color turn to red. Then we can confirm that substance is a acid. Similarly, how you confirm the substance is a base? Then when red litmus paper contact with the base, then it turn to blue. In this way, we can identify a substance is an acid or base by the indicator, that is the litmus paper. So with the help of color, we can identify the substance is a acid or base. Then we come to the synthetic indicator. Earlier we discussing about the natural indicator, no, that is litmus paper, the natural indicator. Then we come to the synthetic indicators. Let's take an example of a synthetic indicator, that is phenolphthaleins. Phenolphthalein is the indicator which is available in the laboratory in a solution, liquid. See, how we identify a substance is acid or base with the help of colors with the phenolphthaleins. Phenolphthalein is such an indicator. When you contact a drop of phenolphthalein contact with the acid, then it colors less. It does not change any colors. Similarly, when a drop of phenolphthalein contact with the base, see, it turn into the pink colors. Then pink colors just help us. In the pink colors, we confirm that it is a base. In this way, the phenolphthalein help us to identify a substance is a acid or base. In acidic medium, it colorless, and in basic medium, it is pink colors. So beside this, also other indicator also there, like methyl orange. Methyl orange also another kinds of indicator is also available as a liquid in the laboratory. A drop of methyl orange turn the acidic color to red. Then you confirm that substance is a acid. Similarly, if you put one drop of methyl orange in a base solution, that it turn to yellow colors, that you confirm that is the basic medium, that is the base. So this is about the indicator, how you confirm a substance is a acid and base. Beside this kinds of this indicator, also we have another kinds of indicator that is called the olfactory indicators. So what is olfactory indicators? So olfactory indicators is a particular kinds of indicator which help us to identify a substance as a acid or base with the help of the odor, not in colors. Earlier we checked with the help of particular color, no. Now with the help of odors. Odor mean the smell. Particular smells will given the indication that a substance is an acid or base. So let us come to the definition of the olfactory indicators. Substances which indicate the presence of an acid or base in a solution by a sense in their color, smell in a solution are called olfactory indicators. Example of olfactory indicators are vanilla essence, olive oils, clove oil, onion juice, etc. Here in the picture also showing that vanilla essence and olive oils. These are about the olfactory indicators. So not only the color, sometimes smell also help, particular smell also help us a substance is a acid or base. So today I only discuss about the basic concept of acid and base and indicators. There are so many interesting topics in this chapter. So we are going to discuss in the next video about the different important topic from this chapter, acid, bases and salt, and it's very interesting. So with this I am to conclude my class. Thank you.